it's the beginning of spring, the season when sea dragons begin their courtship. And in the evening light, they start to dance. In a graceful duet, each partner mirrors the actions of the other. Darkness will soon draw a veil over the pair, but they will dance on into the night. Two months later, and the result of their courtship is revealed. It's the male, and he's the one that's carrying the eggs, with rows and rows of them embedded in his tail. That night, the female transferred her eggs to him. Since then, the male alone has cared for them. By carrying them with him, he's kept them safe. And now it's time for his efforts to be rewarded. The eggs are ready to hatch. In the calm of a summer morning, a baby sea dragon with yolk sacs still attached is born. The weed bed shelters older dragons that are already able to feed themselves. Although these dragons were well cared for by their father, now they must find their own way in the world.